In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix unstable network connection problem in CapCut. If CapCut keeps throwing network errors or feels laggy when you try to sync, export, or access cloud features, a quick way to stabilize things is to route your connection through a VPN. This can help bypass inconsistent routing from your internet provider and smooth out connectivity. I'll walk you through setting up a VPN on Windows and then reconnecting CapCut step by step in a clear and safe way. Start on your Windows desktop, press the Windows key, type VPN, and open VPN settings. In the VPN window, click Add a VPN. For the connection name, you can enter any label you'll recognize later. Something simple like VPN1 is fine. This name is just for you, so pick what makes sense. Next, we need a server address. Open your web browser and search for VPN Gate. Click the official result. On that page, scroll until you see a list of server host names from different countries. Choose any host name you prefer. Often, picking a server geographically closer to you can reduce delay. Then copy the host name exactly as shown. Go back to the Windows VPN setup and paste that into the server name or address field. For VPN type, select SSTP. If you don't immediately see it, open the dropdown and look for Secure Socket Tunneling Protocol. Leave the sign-in type as the default option. The VPN directory page also provides credentials for public access. Carefully enter the username and password exactly as they're shown there. Never reuse personal passwords here, only use the public credentials provided by the site. When everything looks correct, click Save. Now select the VPN you just created and click Connect. Give it a moment to establish the connection. If it doesn't connect, try a different host name from the list and ensure SSTP is selected. Once you see it's connected, close CapCut completely if it's open. Make sure it's not running in the background, then reopen CapCut. With the VPN active, those unstable network errors should be gone and features should load more reliably. A few quick notes to keep things smooth. Public VPNs can vary in speed, so if performance dips, switch to another server on the list. Remember that using a VPN changes your network route. Disconnect it when you no longer need it. Always follow local laws and your network's policies, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tutorials.